Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply these cute 3D cards video effect to your photos or videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add in some pictures here. Maybe make them a little bit longer. And then I'm just going to select the photo and I'm going to select animation, good combo. And I'm going to select the 3D card, which is up here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types. This is the first one. There's this one. And there's this one. And this one as well. And you lastly have this one. Actually, you have 6, which is this one. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.